today we're unboxing something, a very mystery box. We're unboxing a new toy. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Wait! 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 Oh my god!
Who's that Pokemon? It's...
Oh my god!
Who's that Pokemon? It's...
Hala!
Who's that Pokemon? It's...
Thank you, Mommy! Arceus! It's literally doing judgment on it. God. It's God. It's God. It is Arceus, or so called the Pokemon God, I think. Crocodile. This is Dialga, and this is Arceus. These are my two boys right now here. And here is Kyogre origin form. Yes, very much. It is Pokemon Tretta. Some of these are actually not scannable, but there are scannable in other Pokemon Tretta games, like in Davao, Cebu, or like Manila. This is Kyogre. It has 304 attack, 254 defense, and 180 speed. It is based on a dolphin and whale. This is Arceus, the Pokemon God of the Pokemon universe. It has 350 HP, 245 attack, 245 defense, and 245 speed. It is the god of the Pokemon world, like it has judgment or something like that. The move judgment judgments the Pokemon and attacks it whether it's good or not. So it will send it to Satan's world called Giratina. And this is Dialga. It has 294 HP, 253 attack, 211 defense, and 178 speed. It is the controller of the time itself. It is the god of the time itself. This is the Pokemon Tretta album. This is Xerneas, this is Mewtwo, this is Yveltal, this is Fennekin, and the 3 other starters like Froakie, Chespin, and of course Pikachu, you already know them. Charizard, the most overrated Pokemon in the entire universe besides Slowpoke and Meowth.